SabzHero, the ice show. Scorpion it shall not end here. My brother shall.
Game on. I am freezing away from Bihan's shadow. Noob cyber dead and dead. He became, his name lurks in the dark, haunting the scepter's head. Haven't you heard? Tundra came to an end. I'm wearing Bihan's name nowadays. His shoes too big for my feet, his blues Monday for my week. I gather myself in frozen shots of courage, in preparation for Mortal Kombat carnage. I need to become ice once again, not in color but in strength. Remain solid in rain, release tricks. My tongue is the tip of an iceberg, my core is cold. Reclaim the treasure from Shang Tsung, I'm told. But how does the mission unfold? Lin Kuei has become senile and old, prefers the company of cyborgs. How does the mission unfold? Lin Kuei has become senile and old, prefers the company of cyborgs who follow codes. Smoke, my friend, became a foe. For our future in the rain I train in the rain. Frostbitten by the skill, she's eager to learn how to quench Shinnok's fire flames. They burn, he burns. I await my turn to avenge Bihan's death. For Mother Ethereal sanity, stick a boiling stick on Noob Cyber's chest. So in peace he rests, in peace he rests. Yeah, this is not over.
It is not over. Yeah.
I'm sick and tired of being alone. I'm looking for someone to spend my money on. She could be a brown chick, give me that slender, thick ass thighs. You know I like them tender, yeah. So darling, please, I need taller, babe. I'ma keep on searching till I find you, girl. Tell me, have you seen her? She had an expression, said I'm looking for some love. Promise I'm gonna find her. I'm tall and you're so mama, you're son and you're chilling double like.
Oh, you. That's true. Yeah.
searching for someone like you. Someone that likes the little things I do.
Ekamanda bengenanda bikhefuza izindaba. Relax, ayibo, nethezeka nginabe naludaba. Nginqamla amazwe nganqamla amagumbi omhlaba. Amagquma open off nazi nezintaba. Seeking she who will connect neyami inkaba. Not a yellow bone labo ngiyabesaba. Wise said they are nightstands, video vixens. And I'm a boondog, not about the Simpsons. Mine a darky slender, clever afro mabebeza. Laba ma weave ma she evidence. Buza leza ma tender. Mine and afro darky clever, we connect on some.
Turn up. Yeah, yeah.
You win.
Yeah, yeah.
Sithathe futhi Don. I am powerful with my eyes closed. I never miss. Powerful backwards like spells. I blunt these peaceful curses. Time lapses on these verses. Toss fists of rocks, angel tricks, silver pipes and roll bills. Believe underwater you can breathe as though with chills. Reflective lies, subjects hooked and cold. Twitching as though for a fix, scratching as though it's a mix. The SabzHero effect affects all facts under these lost skies of rotten pies. And fetuses dressed in tears, dragging their own umbilical cords down mommy's abortion-stained thighs. Word and dubstep on wax. Umzwinki who guesses the words. Unity. This skill is my only crutch. Honestly, I'm broken, still breaking. Thoughts are bleeding, finding meaning. These personal moments of freestyling. Reality on unsullied pages. Emptiness begging to be tainted with meaning. Can't be award winning. Shout out to Andrew Miller for the reminder. Men can live on art alone. So can vegetarians also pick a bone. Ice Nix nge-ice I'm nice, nge-ice I'm nice. Bodlela ke manje, the cheese is loud as vegan Nix siyandiza ke manje, siyandiza ke manje. Phephele emhlanje, hlanhla sehlanje no landing strips. Ziyawa ke manje, prolong my trip, I'll sip nge-drips. Ngiphuza too much, ngiphuza too much. Ningibuka too much, nibuza too much, ngiphuza too much. Ngiphuza too much, ningibuka too much, nibuza too much, ngiphuza too much. Ngiphuza too much. Heads high, heads high, celebrate. We faded, slurry, dancing jengengam, jengengam, lezim we leaving. Masakalukat, sesbon imsebe yelanga siltamet. Leaning, sky high, we tripping, emazweni kudingiswe. Lapho umkhonto ukhandwa khona, khombe emkhondo ikhona olkhona. Githi emkhondo ikhona olkhona. Ubem, ukhona, ubem, ukhona. Celebrate.
Welcome to my world and we do it live. And we do it like this.
Word world, welcome to my world, where thoughts become things, so I watch what I think, let alone how I speak. My destiny is eloquently slated with the heavenly ink. Acknowledging the slater, I acknowledge I was born to win. In success, I call it classy. And like success and failure are siblings residing within. We unconsciously choose our favorite and place them in a feeding scheme. Starve the other to oblivion without even noticing. Other thoughts you be thinking. I'm too young to be complaining, a bit too old to be contemplating. Philosophy is screw it, let's do it. Richard Branson, welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. My world has no insurance, so I seek his cuts of claim. It's a world of hunters where a wasted split second can cost us a meal and hunters with whose blame. Now I'm sure you understand why I get more bucks than a trained hunter with his trusted rifle. Stacking it taller than Umeselane with his longest scaffold. I'm the darky version of the crocodile hunter. Difference is I domesticate the big five after they were touched by Jill markers. Just jam to Stingray, buza big nas. Ungayikholwa buza nazi ingane nazi. At the back seat of a taxi nabo bayas. I'm learning my accounting from sitting in the front seating. Bali change, gotta balance love untinti. Squama escalating, no Superman, no SabzHero beat to Chris.
Yeah, baby.